Hello there, my name is Jay.
And I am Leslie, and we are here to talk to you about our election special.
Right, this one is going to be about gerrymandering, and it has to do with the way that a state is divided into sections, each of which has its own election.
Every 10 years, years that end in zero, like 2020, we have the census. And the census figures out how to sort of allocate representation all around the entire United States based on population.
Right, they count everybody and decide how many districts each state has, how many representatives they have in the House of Representatives. So let's look at an example here.
Okay.
Okay, look up here.
Oh,
so this
okay.
is our state.
Yeah.
Okay, and for this state, there are a certain number of purple voters and a certain number of green voters.
Yeah, I see that.
Should we count them up?
Okay, you count them. We have.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
We have 9 purple ovals, and the ovals represent voters, right?
Those are the voters.
Okay, those are the voters, so it's like the purple party.
Okay.
I like that. I'd like to be part of the purple party.
Well, that's it. I hope you can. Okay, let's count the green ones.
Okay,
we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. We have 6 in the green voters. Okay, so we have 6 green, and we have 9
purple.
So that's like 40% green, 60% purple.
Good math skills.
This isn't even our math show. We have a math show, but this isn't it. Okay, and how many districts does this pretend state have?
It's going to have 3.
It's going to have 3 districts.
But first I want to point out that if it was a statewide election, like for governor or senator, then purple would be winning because it has 60% of the votes.
Right, because, yes, okay, I got
But we're going to divide it into 3 areas.
Okay, like representative districts.
3 different districts, and there are different ways you can do that.
Okay.
One way would be just to put in 2 vertical lines.
So we have 3 districts. I see.
We have 3 districts. Each one has
the same number of voters.
5 voters in each, and they're equal geographically.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks reasonable. So let's see what happens in the elections.
All right.
Okay, over on that one over there, there are 3 purple voters and 2 green voters.
So this would be like a purple district.
That one goes to
The
purple.
purple party would win this one.
Right.
Okay.
In this middle one,
The middle one.
there are 3 for green and 2 for purple.
Okay.
So that one goes to green.
That would be green. Okay, so we have purple, we've got green, and the last
This
one
one
there.
over here has 4 for purple, 1 for green, so this one also goes for purple.
So we have 2 purple districts and 1 green districts, and 60% of the purple, 60% of the voters are for the purple party, and 40% for the green party, and you can't. So this would be fairly representative.
It's pretty close because 2 out of 3 would be 67% of the districts went purple, and 60% of the voters were voted purple.
So you were kind of within a good margin of error.
That's pretty close.
Okay. All right.
Let's look at a different way to divide it up.
Yeah.
Okay. This time we're going to put in 2 horizontal lines.
So we have 3 districts this way. They're about equal in size.
Again, there will be 5 voters in each district.
Which is kind of what you want the voters, represented, equally. Okay, yeah.
But it's going to have a different result.
Oh.
Up here in the top district, it's 3 for purple, 2 for green, so that one goes purple.
So it's a purple district.
In the middle one, 3 for purple, 2 for green.
So that one is a purple district.
In the one on the bottom,
Hey!
3 for purple, 2 for green.
Hey!
Also goes purple.
So they all 3 go purple, even though 40% of the voters are green?
This is something in gerrymandering that's called cracking. They've got these 6 green voters, but they are cracked into 3 different districts where there are a minority in each district, and so all of the districts end up going purple.
Okay. All right. Okay. So what else could we do?
We could also divide it up this way.
Ooh, that looks very strange.
Yes, it is.
That's very strange.
Well, but in some ways, it still works because there's still 5 voters in every district.
Yeah.
They're maybe roughly geographically equal. It's harder to tell.
Those are very peculiar shapes.
It's very peculiar
shapes. This one looks
shapes.
kind of like a hippo mouth.
Yeah, but let's see how the elections go.
Okay.
Okay, and this one down here, this
Yeah.
really weird shaped one.
Yeah.
Okay, it's 5 for purple
They're all purple voters.
and 0 for green, so that one goes purple.
Okay, so they're all purple voters.
Yep.
They had to kind of reach up there and to get the purple voters.
Yeah, they went out of their way to make it all
okay.
purple. Okay, then in this one up here, it goes across the top and
Yeah.
slodges around this
Yeah.
way. There are 3 that are green and 2 that are purple,
So that would be a green district.
so that one goes for green.
Okay. As far as the color shape.
Then for this one down
bottom
here,
district.
also there are 3 for green and 2 for purple, so this one goes for green.
So we have 2 green districts and 1 purple district.
Right, even though there are more purple voters, this is a case of packing. They drew this district down here that has all 5 purple.
They like packed the purple voters into one district. They went out of their way to pack the purple voters into a district.
Right, so that the purple voters in the other districts were in a minority.
So they were, okay.
And then green would win the other districts.
Okay, so there are 40% of the voters are green, but they have 2/3 of the representatives.
Right, so that's
Okay.
more representation than you would think based on how many voters there were.
Yeah, this is really strange.
Oh,
What
yeah.
doesn't happen like in real life? I mean, because this is just sort of a pretend one that we made up. And
That's
yeah.
true. Okay, that's a weird shape down there. Well, check out this shape.
Is this a real district?
That's a real district.
This is the shape of a real district.
That,
This is
as a matter of fact, is the 4th district in Ohio.
this is in Ohio. Whoa, this is in Ohio. I see how this is in. Whoa, that's
Isn't that
just
weird?
really strange.
Okay, well, try this one.
Okay, that kind of went. Yeah,
Now that
Okay,
is
what
the 1st
state is this?
district in North Carolina.
North Carolina's 1st district looks like this. This is really weird.
Yeah.
This is just. Yeah,
I got another one. I think you'll
okay.
like this one too.
Oh.
All right, we
Okay.
got that one.
Okay, this looks like a dinosaur mouth. Chomp, 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 chomp.
Well,
chomp,
it actually
chomp.
is the 6th district in Louisiana.
This is Louisiana 6th district. Where in Louisiana is the 6th district?
Well, take a look.
Oh, it's over there. Bayou. Louisiana. Bayou.
Bayou.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, it is.
Okay, there we go. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So this is how gerrymandering can work: is the drawing of the lines to advantage your party.
Yes. Okay, and we do some of the determining of that right now. With the census, that's when they sort of figure out how many districts each state gets.
Right, but part of the issue, though, is that the results of a election determine who's in the state legislature, and in a lot of places, it's the state legislature that draws the lines.
There's only 10 states where that isn't the case.
No, they have an independent commission
But
that
only in
draws the
10
lines.
states is it an independent commission. In the other 40 states, it's the state legislature.
The state legislature, so they get to draw the lines of their own districts.
So that's one of the really important reasons we need to vote on people. Well, we need to get out and vote in local-ish elections.
Well, that's right, because we want the voters to choose the representatives, and not have the representatives choose
The
their
voters.
voters.
Yes. Okay.
That's some of the issues with gerrymandering. I hope that you understand them more.
I'm Leslie.
I'm Jay.
This was our election special.
Bye-bye.
Bye.